You know what's strange after 50? You can eat less and still feel softer around the waist. You can walk more and your knees still complain. You can try to be disciplined, but by evening your energy drops and you start hunting for something sweet. Then you see Donnie Yen in his 60s looking lean and sharp, moving like a man decades younger, and it messes with your head. Here's the thing, most men aren't failing because they lack willpower. They're failing because their food choices don't support what the body needs after 50. Steady energy, strong muscles, calmer joints, and stable blood sugar. Today, you're getting 5 foods that do exactly that, and I'll show you how to use them in a simple routine you can actually follow in real life. We're not pretending we know every meal Donnie eats every day. What we do know is what kind of nutrition supports the kind of athletic, lean, resilient body he maintains. Food that helps you hold on to muscle, recover better, keep inflammation lower, and avoid the blood sugar roller coaster that makes men feel tired and hungry all the time. These 5 foods are not fancy. They're common, they're affordable, and if you're over 50, they can make your body feel more stable within weeks because you'll stop fighting your biology and start feeding it. Why men over 50? Feel active but still get weaker. A lot of men over 50 are doing something. They walk, they stay busy, they don't sit all day, but they still feel weaker each year because activity alone doesn't protect muscle. After 50, your body needs a clearer signal. Enough protein to maintain strength, enough fiber to control appetite and blood sugar, and enough healthy fats to support recovery. If those pieces are missing, you can be active and still slowly lose the exact strength that keeps your knees stable, your back supported, and your posture strong. Another big problem is cravings and energy crashes. Many men start the day with low protein, eat quick carbs, and then wonder why they feel hungry again, why their mood dips, and why they need snacks at night. That's not a character flaw, that's biology. When your meals don't keep blood sugar steady, your brain demands quick fuel later. The 5 foods in this video are chosen because they help solve those problems in a realistic way, without extreme rules. Number 5. The protein anchor, eggs or thick plain yogurt. The fastest way to make your day easier is to fix breakfast. If breakfast is weak, the rest of the day becomes a fight. Many men over 50 start with tea or coffee and something light, bread, biscuits, cereal, maybe a sweet snack, and then by late morning, they feel hungry again. That leads to more snacking, bigger lunch portions, and a strong desire for sugar later. A protein anchor stops that cycle because it gives your body a stable base. Eggs are one of the easiest protein foods for men over 50. They're simple, they're affordable, and they make it easier to hit protein without overthinking. If you don't eat eggs, thick plain yogurt is another strong option. The goal is not to eat perfectly. The goal is to give your muscles a reason to stay and to give your appetite a calm foundation so cravings don't control you. A simple breakfast could be 2 or 3 eggs cooked with spinach or tomatoes, and if you want a small carb, add 1 piece of toast or a small bowl of oats. Another option is thick plain yogurt with a handful of nuts and a bowl of berries. If you're busy, boil eggs ahead of time and keep them in the fridge so breakfast takes 2 minutes. This habit sounds small, but it changes the whole day because you stop starting with an empty tank. One mistake to avoid is turning a good food into a sugar bomb. Many yogurts are flavored and loaded with sugar, which defeats the purpose. Choose plain, then add sweetness using berries or cinnamon. With eggs, avoid pairing them with a heavy fried meal that leaves you sluggish. Keep it clean. Protein first, then fiber. Number 4, fatty fish, the joint and recovery food. If you want to stay athletic after 50, you have to respect recovery. In your 20s, you could sleep badly and still feel okay. After 50, poor recovery shows up fast, stiff joints, sore back, heavy legs, and a general feeling that your body isn't springy anymore. One reason is inflammation. When inflammation stays high, everything feels harder. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are valuable because they contain omega-3 fats, which are linked to heart health and may support a healthier inflammation balance in the body. That matters for older men because calmer inflammation often means joints feel less angry and recovery becomes easier. It doesn't mean fish is a cure, it means fish is a smart tool. You don't need fish every day. 2 to 3 times per week is a strong target. And if fresh fish is expensive, don't overthink it. Canned sardines are one of the best budget options. They're nutrient-dense, convenient, and easy to add to meals. You can put sardines on toast with lemon, add them to rice with vegetables, or mix them into a simple salad. The easiest way to make fish work is to build a simple dinner plate. A palm-sized portion of fish, a big serving of vegetables, and 1 normal carbohydrate if you want it, like rice or potatoes. This keeps dinner satisfying so you're not hungry again at 9 p.m. If you're on blood thinners or have specific medical conditions, it's smart to talk to your doctor about omega-3 intake, especially if you're also using supplements. But as a normal food a few times per week, fatty fish is one of the most practical upgrades a man can make. Number 3, berries, the sweet fix that doesn't ruin your progress. A lot of men over 50 don't struggle with food all day. They struggle at night. Dinner ends, you sit down, and suddenly you want something sweet. That craving isn't random. Often it's a mix of habit, stress, and blood sugar swings from earlier meals. And once a sweet habit becomes nightly, it affects sleep, energy, and belly fat. Berries are a smart solution because they taste sweet but come with fiber and helpful plant compounds. They're not magic, but they're a clean replacement for processed desserts. If you give your body sweetness in a better form, it becomes easier to stay consistent without feeling punished. And consistency is what changes the body after 50. Make berries your default dessert. After dinner, have a bowl of berries. If berries are expensive, buy frozen berries. Frozen works perfectly. If you want it more filling, add thick, plain yogurt. If you want extra flavor, add cinnamon. This one habit can quietly reduce cookies, cake, and sugary snacks that add up faster than most men realize. The mistake to avoid is drinking your fruit. Smoothies can be fine, but they can also become liquid sugar if you add juice, sweeteners, or too much fruit without protein. If you want a smoothie, keep it simple. Berries and yogurt, and stop there. But for most men, a bowl is easier, cheaper, and safer. So far, you've got a protein anchor to protect muscle and stop cravings, a recovery food to support joints, and a sweet replacement that doesn't wreck your night. Now we add the two foods that make the system feel effortless, because they make you full, they calm your appetite, and they help your body handle carbs better. Number 2, leafy greens and crucifer vegetables, the slim waist fiber. If you want to feel lighter and have steadier energy, you need fiber. Fiber helps you feel full without overeating, slows down how fast sugar hits your bloodstream, and supports digestion and gut health. For men over 50, that matters because better digestion and steadier blood sugar often mean better energy and fewer cravings. Leafy greens like spinach and vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower are powerful because they give you a lot of volume and nutrition without heavy calories. They're also usually affordable. Cabbage is one of the best options in many places because it's cheap, filling, and versatile. You can cook it, add it to soups, or saute it with simple spices. Here's the simplest rule. Aim for 2 big handfuls of vegetables at lunch and dinner. Don't measure like a scientist. Use your hands. If lunch is rice and meat, add a big side of vegetables. If dinner is fish, make vegetables the base of the plate. When vegetables become normal, appetite becomes easier to manage because your stomach feels satisfied and your meals stop feeling heavy. A simple trick is to eat vegetables first, especially if you're eating rice or bread. Many men find they naturally eat smaller portions after that without trying. If you're not used to fiber, increase gradually and drink more water so your body adapts comfortably. Number 1, beans and lentils. The quiet power food for men over 50. This is the food most men ignore, and that's why it works so well. Beans and lentils solve 2 major problems: hunger and blood sugar. They combine fiber and plant protein in a way that keeps you full longer and helps smooth energy levels. For men over 50, this is huge because constant hunger and sugar crashes are what destroy consistency. When you're full and stable, staying on track becomes easier. Beans and lentils are also affordable, which means you can stick with them. A lot of healthy eating advice fails because it's expensive and unrealistic. Lentils, chickpeas, kidney beans, and other legumes are some of the best long-term foods because you can keep buying them without stress. Start with lentils if you want the easiest option. Lentils cook fast and work well in soups. If you use canned beans, rinse them well to reduce stomach discomfort. Start with about half a cup and slowly increase over a couple of weeks. This matters because some men quit early by eating a huge bowl on day 1, then blaming beans. Go slow and digestion improves. A simple meal idea is a power bowl: lentils or beans, vegetables, and a protein like fish, eggs, or chicken. If you don't eat meat, beans can still help, but many men over 50 do best combining beans with another protein source, so muscle maintenance is easier. The goal isn't to be extreme. The goal is to build meals that satisfy you and keep you strong. The simple daily routine using these 5 foods. Here's how to make this work without stress. Breakfast, protein anchor: 2 or 3 eggs with vegetables or thick plain yogurt with berries and nuts. Lunch, vegetables plus beans or lentils with a protein if you want, and a normal portion of rice or bread if it fits your life. Dinner, vegetables as the base and fatty fish 2 to 3 times per week. Dessert, berries, especially if you crave sweets. If you follow this pattern, you're not dieting. You're building a system that supports the body after 50. You're feeding muscle so you stay strong. You're increasing fiber so appetite becomes easier. You're using better fats to support recovery. And you're replacing processed sweets with a cleaner option that doesn't wreck your sleep. Donnie Yen's look at 62 isn't about one magic secret. It's about keeping the body fueled in a way that supports strength, recovery, and steady energy. Start with a protein anchor like eggs or thick plain yogurt. Add fatty fish a couple times per week to support recovery. Use berries as your sweet replacement. Make vegetables a daily base for fiber and fullness. And use beans and lentils as your quiet power food that stabilizes hunger and energy. Now comment one word: eggs, fish, berries, greens, or lentils. Which one are you adding first? And if you want, I'll do the next video on the simple daily routine that pairs with these foods to keep your knees, back, and energy strong after 50.